WIPCON 2024. I welcome you all to WIPCON with the theme of Rise and Sing today. So the first question, which is probably in everyone's mind, हम यहाँ आए क्यों हैं? आ तो रहा होगा ना ये सवाल, किस किस के माइंड में ये सवाल आ रहा है? Be honest, let me see your hands raised. Definitely, if I was on the other side, मैं भी सोच रही होती कि ये कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है, Women in Business and Leadership, what does it stand for? हमारा यहाँ पे क्या काम है? And why are we all gathered here? So firstly, I want to know कि how many students do I have here? I want to see hands risen. Okay, wow. And how many homemakers do I have here? Wow. First of all, I want you to give a huge round of applause to every one of yourself, please. थोड़ा जोर से, मजा नहीं आया, please. So the reason that सबसे पहले हमने शुरुआत इससे की is that how often do we appreciate ourselves? We are always so busy appreciating the person next to us and the person here. अपने आप को कौन लोग कितना appreciate करते हैं? सच बताएं. I love that. More power to you. So why are we here? Let me tell you. The journey of rising of a woman. How do we rise? मतलब हम यहाँ से उठ के हम यहाँ कैसे जा सकते हैं? So ज़रा इस पे I'll tell you a story. So 5 years ago, so WIPCON has been ongoing since 16 years, committed to including women, females from all walks of life. कि सबको include करना ज़रूरी होता है. सिर्फ जो corporate हैं, सिर्फ जो student हैं, जो homemakers हैं, everyone is worthy of equal respect and appreciation, right? Can I hear a yes if you agree? A bit louder? Yes. So the reason that we have a mixed audience here and it is so great to see everyone coming together is that the first step of a woman rising is having self-belief. How many of you have self-belief in yourself that you are the best? That's it? But you are the best. So let me tell you, so the story of rising began 5 years back because we thought that, you know, for a woman to rise ahead, there are 5 stages. And as I tell you, I'm sure you all can relate to this. So the first stage of rising is you must have self-belief. Do you agree? Because there is absolutely no one who can tell you that you are the best. It is you who can pick yourself up, and it is also you who can make yourself down. Am I right? You are your own best friend. There is no one when you need help. There's many people when you are happy, but very few when you see yourself in darkness, right? So now, coming on to the second stage of a woman's rise is letting go of fear. सबके कोई ना कोई यहाँ पे कोई fears ज़रूर होंगे. जैसे ही मैंने बोला होगा आपके दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ आया होगा. So can I hear it from the audience? Anyone who would like to tell what is their one fear? Anyone who would like to volunteer? I would like to see hands risen. Yes. Can we please have a mic? Sorry, just a second. Please stand up. I would appreciate. Thank you. And then you.
So, like, my biggest fear of doing something is the fear of failing. I would never want to do something that I'm going to fail at. So, you know, I prefer doing things that I can succeed at.
Something that you're comfortable with.
Something I'm comfortable
same line,
with.
right?
Yes, yes.
Do you all agree with, does anyone have that fear as well? The fear of change, right? So I would like to hear from you as well.
I think it's the same common fear that, you know, whatever you're doing will be appreciated, will be recognized. Whatever you're putting out there will be recognized, appreciated. And eventually, I mean, whether you fail or not.
A very common fear, and I feel that is something we all have, kahin na kahin in our hearts, right? The fear of failing. Even I had this fear before standing on the stage in front of you. I also had this fear that what if I fail? So now coming on to the third stage, which I will follow from the fear you told me. It's resetting your mindset. What happens when your phone is not working? Just a quick question. Anyone? Yes. What do you do when your phone is stuck and it's not working?
Just switch it off and switch it on. I can restart, reboot.
You restart it, right?
Yes.
And maybe someone else would like to tell me, what do you do? Anyone? Yes? Okay, that's good to know. A different approach, yes. So you take an alternate. Very interesting. Please, can we have another mic if it's possible?
I sleep.
You sleep. So you put yourself aside for a moment.
Probably hold on for a while and wait for it to work.
Beautiful. So now all these responses, there's one thing common, that you have to restart, you have to reset, you have to leave something behind, and like you said, move on to another alternate, right? So all these things are the third stage of a rise of a woman. That the moment you feel that something is not working out, या you feel कि कुछ तो कमी है, नहीं आगे बढ़ पा रहे, क्या वो reasons हैं? So the first and the third step is resetting your mindset. So you let go of your fears, you invoke self-belief, and now you're resetting that. So now the fourth stage which we had was thinking about thinking. How many of us know that if we want to do something, what is the reason behind it? So for that, I would like to ask one quick question. Anyone's goal in life for the next year? Anyone? From this side now, I see amazing women sitting here. Please, someone's going to speak from here. That one goal that comes in your mind that when I asked you this question.
To be an entrepreneur.
Wow, that's amazing. And I hope you will, inshallah. Anyone else?
To be a better version of myself.
Beautiful, beautiful. Please, the lady in pink as well.
Make our parents proud.
Inshallah, you definitely will.
To become a civil servant.
Wow, we have such talented women here, mashallah se. So thinking about thinking is that when you've done everything, you must know that if you want to become a civil servant or become a better version or an entrepreneur or anything, why? Why do you want to become that? Do we know the whys behind what we want? कितने लोगों को पता होता है कि ये अगर हमें करना है तो ये इस वजह से करना है? Can I see hands risen? कि how many people know? Okay. Very good. And if I asked one question from probably you, can I? Why do you feel that you know कि आपको ये क्यों करना है? What's that one thing? I would like to know. Please.
I think I wanted to start a business and that I'm already working on. And I know why I'm doing it because I see a future of me and like future me, imagining what I'll be and what kind of things I'll be, achieving after doing
Okay.
that. So that is the particular reason.
No, that's amazing, and that's exactly what means thinking about thinking. So now, finally, बहुत कहानी सुना ली कि 4 साल से what we were doing at WIPCON, why we were doing it, and you're probably bored by now. So now, before we officially start our conference, I'll tell you about the theme of this year, 2024, which is Rise in Sync. What does it mean by Rise in Sync? I would first like to take any audience's opinion. Anyone who would like to say कि क्या mind में आया ये सुन के? Anyone? Yes, please. Rise in Sync. आपके mind में ये सुन के क्या आया है कि हमने क्यों theme रखी?
इसलिए कि जैसे जो घर से काम कर रही हैं ख़वातीन उनको जिस तरह से उभर के आना है सामने अपने घर के साथ साथ अपने बिजनेस को भी लेके चलना है सक्सेसफुल जर्नी अपनी आगे मूव करना है तो इट मीन्स कि राइज और उसमें बहुत सारी डिफ़िकल्टीज आती हैं तो समटाइम्स यू सिंक डाउन बट यू हैव टू गेट अप अगेन एंड राइज योरसेल्फ
Beautiful. Please, I want a round of applause for this beautiful statement. So rise and sync in continuation जो आपने कहा is कि अब every one of you, we have like a very huge audience, I can't even count the numbers, but each one of you has something special. Every one of you is gifted. Do you agree? Yes, you are, because I know you are all gifted. You have that one talent, you have that potential, but we often, are not able to succeed ahead as a society. आज हम यहाँ इतने लोग बैठे हुए हैं, सबका एक individual self है. There is one universe inside of you, and then there is one universe in the external. So once you understand your own universe, ke who am I? Who do I stand for? And what do I want? तभी तो जाके आप एक्सटर्नल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को ग्रास्प कर सकते हैं, राइट? So rise and sink is when we collectively come together as a society, especially when we talk about women, because we're always hearing लोग क्या कहेंगे, ये तुम लोगों का काम नहीं है, ये आप क्यों कर रहे हो, घर कैसे चलाएंगे, स्टूडेंट हो अभी, बाद में देखना शादी के. So these are things हम रोज सुन के ना हम थक गए हैं. So in today's conference, we are celebrating women from all walks of life and celebrating you for being you, and we will rise and sing together because जब एक इतना powerful हो सकता है, तो जो हम इतने साथ एक आए हैं, तो imagine the power we all hold together. And for that, I want you to all stand up for a minute. Just a second, quickly. In the next 5 seconds. Great. That was quick. So now I'm going to say one thing, that today we will rise and sink. So when I say today we will, I want इतनी ही powerful आवाज में आप लोग आगे से बोलें rise and sink. Understood? Yes. Okay, so let's try it out first कि कितनी power है. So today we all will rise in. Sink. Today we will rise in. Sink. Today we will rise in. Why are we all here to rise in? I am perfect. इस पे आवाज देर से निकली, क्यों शक है? I am perfect. I don't see that energy. Something's missing. I am perfect. Now let's try it. कि we will say I am perfect. Clap. I am perfect. Clap like this. I am perfect. Okay, one last time, and this time we're going to have the highest note. Okay, देखते हैं कि किस side से ज़्यादा energy आ रही है, ताकि हमें पता चल जाए. Okay, so we're gonna have rise and sink and perfect. Let's see. Today we all will rise and sink. And why? Because I am perfect. I am perfect. You are perfect. Thank you, everyone. I want you all to take a seat. And what you said, please remember throughout the day and even beyond. You are perfect and we are all here to rise and sink. And now, before we start on, I would like to invite Mr. Fahad for our next session. So what is our session? Oh, sorry, lovely, just a second. We have our general manager with here. So just, you guys can all sit, but we would love to welcome him with that same energy, okay? So what we just practiced. Today we all will rise in. Sing. Once more. Today we all will rise in. Sing. Perfect. So now that's the energy. I want you to welcome our general manager with a huge round of applause first, please. Now, a little bit about his introduction. Mr. Adil Sharif, our GM of PSTD, who has made this possible, has committed more than a decade in making lives easier for us women. He has been working on initiatives to bridge the gaps in the society, to make us women feel powerful. Abhi we all said we are perfect, but हम वो feel नहीं करते. So to bring a change, to bring that change in the society, this man has been trying to work heartlessly all the time. And he is the reason we all are sitting here as we will rise in. So please, Mr. Adil Sharif, come on stage for a welcome address to our crowd. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, respected ladies and girls. My introduction to ho chuka hai. So thank you very much, Bisma, for giving opportunity to speak with the audience. I welcome you all to Rising, not only the event itself, बल्कि उस राइजिंग के लिए भी खुशामदीद जो आप में से बेशतर के हाल या मुस्तकबिल में होने वाली है. I have complete faith and confidence in the potential that each one of you has. चाहे वो एक मकान को घर में बनाने के लिए रिक्वायर्ड हो, चाहे वो तालीम के मैदान में अपने आप को प्रूफ करने के लिए रिक्वायर्ड हो, और चाहे वो किसी भी मकाम में किसी चीज़ को तराशने के लिए रिक्वायर्ड हो. फीमेल्स आर ऑलवेज डूइंग वेरी वेल. इस प्लेटफॉर्म से जो रिक्वेस्ट आपसे करना चाहता हूँ वो ये है कि Don't let anybody or anything make you doubt of your own strengths. आपकी जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो आपकी पावर है, उस पे आपको कभी भी डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर कोई चीज़ आपको इस दुनिया में हरा सकती है तो वो सिर्फ आपका फेयर है और शक है. अगर आपको अपनी चीज़ों पे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होगा तो यू विल नॉट मूव ऑन. और इसको जो फेयर है उसको आपको अपना सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन कंसीडर करना चाहिए. एंड यू नीड टू लेट गो विद योर दिस एनिमी. आपको जो सेल्फ बिलीव होता है उस पे वर्किंग की ज़रूरत है. जो शक या डाउट आपकी लाइफ में हो, बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग you need to move on from that. You need to see the signs all around you, signs that guide you, signs that uplift you and help you ride the road to your self-sufficient, independent, inspirational self. So it's all more about self-belief, and I think our agenda is mainly drive toward that. So I'm expecting a lot of learning for you, and the whole day is packed from learning. I can see Fahad at the back. He's our lead trainer and facilitator and expert on D&I. So he'll help you to learn. But आखिर में बस एक बात, एक शेर है जो कि बहुत relevant है for the event. चलो तो खुद चलते हैं रास्ते, चलो तो खुद चलते हैं रास्ते, सिमटने लगते हैं बिखरे हुए फासले. All the best for the day and happy rising to everyone. Thank you.
वक्त बदल चुका है, दौर अब एक नया है.
Hello.
नई तारीख लिखी.
Thank you so much, Mr. Adil. I'm so sorry for that, everyone. Okay, so for now our next segment, करो जो क्लिक करे. इसका क्या मतलब है? मैं आज सारी चीज़ें आपसे ही पूछूंगी बिकॉज आप लोग मुझसे बेहतर बता सकते हैं. Anyone who would like to tell me करो जो क्लिक करे, क्या जहन में आ रहा है ये सुन के? Please, the lady, beautiful lady in red. Can someone please hand her a mic? Please, I would appreciate if you stand up and you speak.
इसका मतलब ये है वो करें जो पहली बार में ही अगले बंदे की आंखों को आपकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करे.
And आपको क्या ऐसा अट्रैक्ट करता है, आप ये भी बताएं.
Anything that's unique. अगर कोई वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर वो कर रही है तो वो ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट करता है. दैट्स कि हमारी सोसाइटी में वुमेन बहुत कम यूनिक चीज़ें कर रही होती हैं. लाइक एक मेरी बचपन से एक बहुत वो आइडियल पर्सनालिटी होती थी कि वो एक पायलट दिखाते थे जो कि पूरा अबाया पहन के, दैट्स हु इज़ द फर्स्ट वुमेन पायलट इन अबाया. तो वो ज़्यादा उस तरह की चीज़ें अट्रैक्ट करती हैं. तो ऐसी कोई भी यूनिक चीज़ जैसे करो जो क्लिक करे जे हमारा
beautiful. I think it's self-explanatory. So now before I start this next segment, I have with me someone extremely talented who came and curated this amazing session with you all. So this segment is powered by EBM for their campaign करो जो क्लिक करे. बहुत हमने सुना होगा इस campaigns का. We have Mr. Fahad Amin, who is the HR head of Artistic Millionaires, who will come and take you through कि how can you hold on to your passion and go after your dreams. Because dreams and passions ये वो two words हैं कि हम सुनते बहुत हैं and हम कहते भी हैं कि हमारा ये dream है, ये passion है, लेकिन we often lack believing in it. So I would like you all to please give a huge round of applause to Mr. Fahad and let's all unite to see करो जो click करे. Thank you so much, Mr. Fahad. Please take the stage.